Hazrat Ismail was the son of Hazrat Ibrahim and his second wife Hajara. He was born in Palestine after Allah granted Ibrahim's prayer for a son. He was also a prophet and a messenger of Allah, and the ancestor of the Arab people and the Prophet Muhammad. Hazrat Ismail and his mother Hajara were taken by Hazrat Ibrahim to Mecca, where Allah commanded him to leave them in a barren valley. There, Allah tested their faith and patience, and provided them with water from the well of Zamzam. Hazrat Ismail grew up in Mecca and learned Arabic from the local tribes. He also helped his father to build the Kaaba, the sacred house of Allah, and to establish the rites of Hajj, the pilgrimage to Mecca. Hazrat Ismail is also associated with Palestine through his father Hazrat Ibrahim, who migrated from Ur to Palestine and settled there for some time. Hazrat Ibrahim is considered the father of the prophets and the patriarch of the monotheistic religions. He is also revered by the Muslims, Jews, and Christians as a model of faith and obedience to Allah.